Distributive property. Note that your homework is only going to be the front only. So only the front side of your homework with lots of work. All right. Ready? Distributive property. Anybody? Anybody know? Anybody? Nobody? Well, you said break everything down.
I need to see like a problem.
Okay.
Oh, where you put like the thingy and the thingy like that.
And the thingy and the thingy like
Thingy
that.
and the thingy.
Yeah, then you
I
put
should
that
just
one
go home now.
there.
I'm done. We're done. Let me just go home.
So, catch up time?
So. Yes.
You said like first 5 times x and then 5 times 3 plus 5.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Yeah. Yeah, you put the thingy and the thingy and the thingy
Yeah,
and
like
the
you
thingy.
multiplied.
That is not what you said.
Yes.
You don't know.
Yeah, you're so smart, honey. Okay. All right. I appreciate your effort in trying and providing us with things. Yes. It is appreciated more so than the silent kid or the kid that criticizes. Arrows. Maybe?
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Me right now.
Yep.
The thingy.
All right. So they're called arrows. We're going to distribute. So it's in the word. Does anybody know what distribute means outside of math? Give. Very good. So we're going to give. We're going to distribute whatever number is outside to everything that's inside. Now notice there is no addition, no subtraction, no multiplication, no division sign here. Right? So it means multiply. It means 5 times whatever is inside. Distribute, give out. When I distribute the homework, I give it to everybody, right? I don't skip anyone, or at least I don't try to. All right, so yes, like Sargun said, you multiply 5 times x and 5 times 2. So we multiply everything that's inside. Number one mistake kids do is they forget the second number, or whatever the second thing is. They only give the 5 to the first thing. No, give it to everybody. All right, what is 5 times x?
5x.
5x. So in multiplication, when it's multiplication, you squish them together. This means 5 times x. This also means 5 times x. This is read as 5x. Plus 5 times 2. Okay. What's next? Okay. What is my answer?
Yeah.
Is it your question? This is your answer. Can you put the 5x and the 10 together? No. Why can I not put the 5x and the 10 together?
Because that's an X.
Do you know what x is? It's x. It could be any number in the universe. So, Noah, we cannot put these two numbers together because there are different terms. This is an x. This one does not have an x, so you're done. That was a trick question. It's a trick question. All right. So what would be 8 parentheses 4 plus m? What number do I get to distribute? The 8. Everybody gets the 8 via multiplication. Everybody gets the 8 via multiplication. You got to multiply this number. And what do we get?
32.
Uh-huh.
Plus
Good.
Oh, I mean M.
So 8 times 4 plus 8 times m. So 8 times 4 is 32 plus 8m. Okay? Any questions? We okay? Okay. Ooh, I got a hard one. Ready? I don't know if you're ready for this.
Is it level 5000?
It's level 5001. What number do I distribute? 2. Does everybody get the 2?
Yeah.
Yes. Everybody gets a 2 via multiplication. So everybody gets a 2. It's like everybody gets 2 candies. 2 candies, 2 candies, 2 candies. They come trick-or-treating. It's a group of 3 trick-or-treaters. You get candy, you get candy, you get candy. Everybody gets candy. So 2 times 3n minus 2 times g plus 2 times 3x. Everybody gets multiplied. Everybody gets multiplied. It's okay for me to multiply a number with a term that has a variable. That is okay. You can multiply and you can divide. The only thing you can't do is add and subtract. Hence, our answers look like problems. All right, what's 2 times 3n? 6n minus what? 2g plus. All right. Is there anything I can put together? No. Does anybody have the same variable? No. So if they don't have the same variable, you're done. It looks like a problem. It looks like you're not done. But because we don't know what the variables equal, we're done. We're done. Okay? So even though it looks very scary, it's still like that. And if it's a subtraction sign, we just keep the subtraction sign for now. We just keep the subtraction sign for now. All right, let's do this one. 7 parentheses 2b plus a plus 4d minus 3c. That's right. Does it look scary and hard? Yes. Is it? No. It is not. Pre-algebra here. We'll be using distributive property next year. A lot. And in high school. Did you guys learn this last year?
A bit.
I don't forgot.
That's okay.
You don't forgot.
Anybody want to tell us their answer? Division.
Did you guys get a fraction?
That's gonna be in a minute, Sam. Don't ruin the surprise.
You're gonna be good at that one.
All right. Anybody? All right, sorry, good.
14b plus 7a plus 28b divided by 21c.
Divided.
Minus.
No,
Nope.
that's the subtract sign.
That is a subtract sign.
It's because
There's a little dot right there, a little smudge. But there's no smudge at the bottom. There's a subtract. All right, cool. Now, okay, listen. Next level. Okay, I'm okay with this answer. We're 7th graders. I am A-okay with this answer. If you give me this answer, I'm fine. Next year, or in high school, your algebra teacher is going to be like, you're not done. You're not done. Here's how they want it in high school, or even next year. I'm okay with this answer. Here's how you take it to the next level. They want it in alphabetical order. So when you have variables, x's and y's, when you get your answer, they want it in alphabetical order. Why? Because when we're checking our answers, it's like, did everybody put in alphabetical order? Did you leave it in this order? Did you put the three C's in the front? So the next level, if you're ready for it, do it. Start this year. If this is too much for you, this is okay with me. Who can put it in alphabetical order? So what variable would come first? Kyle? 7a. So 7a plus 14b
21C. Or is it minus?
minus 21c. So the operation in front of it goes with it, and then plus 28d. So in high school, your teacher is going to be like, I need it in alphabetical order. So it's just like A, B, C, D. Okay? That's the next level. And then the level after that is if you have, let's say my answer is 2x squared plus 3b plus 4x. The next level is looking at your exponents, and there's a rule for that too. Which order do I put the exponents in? And then what if I have just plus 5? Where does that go? Does that go in the front or does that go in the back? We'll just stick with ABC order for now. Okay? All right. Ready for the next level? Next level. I don't know if you guys can handle this. Ooh. What are we distributing now? An M. How do we distribute a variable? What in the world? I don't know either.
Oh.
I'm being sarcastic. Of course. I learned it just 2 minutes ago in chat.
ChatGPT.
No, the guy named Chat. Okay. So, I distribute the M to everybody. And M is a number that I don't know. So, M times 2 plus M times X. What's M times 2? 2M. So, I will make sure you do this correctly. I will push this. I won't push the ABC order, but I will push this. When you have a variable and a number, what always comes first? The number. Whatever, if a number and a variable, the number comes first. So I will push that for you this year. MX, alphabetical order, so MX. Can I put these two numbers together? These two terms together?
Yeah.
No. Does this one have an X?
Oh, yeah.
No. So it has to be exactly the same when it comes to variables. So this is 2M and this is MX. Not the same. Cannot put them together. Okay? All right, are we okay with this? Distribute. Okay, next level.
How many levels are there?
5,078. 5,052. You know I'm kidding, right, guys? Ooh.
That's scary.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh,
It's
so we
scary
go
season, you know?
Oh.
So
We're gonna go backwards. We knocked on that back door of the house to go trick-or-treating. Or it's a duplex. It's 2 houses in 1. There's a back house. So, whatever number is outside, even if it's in the back, we're gonna give it to everything inside the parentheses. All right, what do we get?
35 plus 5x.
Perfect.
I got that too.
Good job. Let me see. Okay, we're okay. Uno
I
más.
don't want to be here. I'm tired.
Oh, let's do the fraction.
No. It's fine. Just continue. Yeah, it's no one time to shine.
Oh. So it's like the
Scary.
So would it be 0.5?
Okay, now is that division or fraction?
Both, basically. You could consider it division. You could consider it a fraction.
It's too hard.
There are a lot of ways to do this problem. A handful of ways. There is a very easy way to do it, and then there's a very hard way to do it. I don't know which way to teach you. Easy.
Do you have to change to a decimal?
No. That would actually be the hardest way, I think. Yeah. Okay, so let me see. I'm going to show you a way, and then some of you are going to figure out, oh, I could do it. It's so much easier. So technically, it would be 4x times 1/2. How do I change the 4 into a fraction?
Oh, put a 1 as a denominator.
Good. So then we multiply straight across. We get 4x over 2, right? If I do this, right? So basically, what I did was 4 divided by 2. So it's 4x divided by 2. Because when I multiply 4x times 1, I get 4x. 1 times 2 is 2. So this is the proper way of multiplying fractions. Now I have here 4x over 2. And it is division. It is division. So what's 4 divided by 2? 2x. Plus, what do you think the 10m is going to be? Yeah. So here's the long way of doing it, but it's the math way. So 10m times 1 is 10m. Over 1 times 2 is just 2. What's 10 divided by 2? 5m. So the way to look at it is you're just going to divide by the denominator. You're going to just divide by the denominator. If your numerator is 1. It's totally different if your numerator is not 1. But in 7th grade, we keep all your numerators as 1. So basically, you take this number and you divide it. Instead of multiplying, you divide it. We divide it because it's a fraction. So basically, this. 4 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2, that's it. Okay? See if you guys can do this one. See if you can make sense of this. 1/3 12x plus 24y. Yeah, but I lied. Hi, I'm a teacher, and that's just what we do. So using the logic that I just kind of showed you, if it's a 1 on top, good. If it's a 1 on top, that means you're just dividing by your denominator. You're just dividing by your denominator. So what do we get? Yay. So you're basically distributing, but because it's a fraction, you're dividing by this number. Now that's level 5078 right there. You'll do this a lot next year. For me, you only do it a couple of times.
Like hopefully just this page.
Yeah. Your classwork is super easy compared to this. Oh, I didn't go over negatives.
I don't want to.
You can do that tomorrow.
You can do that tomorrow. No, there's negatives. But they're easy negatives.
You gave me 4.
You're already handing out the paper. You can't do it.
Student free day, let's go.
Wait, the front and back, what are we doing?
Olivia, want to ask you this?
What's my teacher's name, guys?
All right.
All the front and the back.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm done.
All of it?
I'm making simple mistakes, bro.
All right. Level 1 is the front side. Because I don't count. You just need to count. You know what I mean? All right. Number 1 and 2 are done for you. 1 and 2 are done. Yeah. Number 1 should take you less than 5.
The 27. Thank you.
So we distribute.
No, I missed 10, 25, 25. Missed it.
Oh, yeah, I missed it.
I don't think I was awake that day.
Using the 10, 25,
Is there anything special? Just. Is that it? Yeah, 32 minus 8x. So I didn't go over the negatives, but did you guys do number 5 already?
Yeah.
Why does that have negative?
Bro, because we're in 7th grade.
Oh, you did it for us.
Oh my god. I got that. Oh yeah.
Okay.
What level would the negatives be? 1,000.
The hardest thing is the fractions. Those are the hardest things to do. But in 7th grade, they all have a numerator of 1.
Number 6, can we add them? Is it M?
Ooh, yeah.
Is it M5?
Mm.
M5?
Mm.
Oh no, 5M.
I guess you can take it one step further in number 6.
Wait, 5M?
Number 6?
Is 5M?
You put the
Yeah,
number in
that's
front.
It's okay. I don't have to take it one step further. Do you really have to take it one step further? Because I don't want to take it one step further.
Bro, just do it. Just do the word.
So if I say, I do not know how.
I officially have to teach that to you.
I personally, I don't like to win.
Plus 6.
70 plus 21. 90.
Y'all done?
I need 4 more.
I'm guessing the back too.
Wait, you have to put in alphabetical order?
Yeah.
Dang. Sorry, Saul.
I want to see if you guys can take it to the next level.
But I don't want to.
But your definitely your 8th grade teacher would want you to do this. I'm not saying high school. I'm saying 8th grade.
But I don't know my 8th grade teacher yet, so.
Yeah, fine.
No matter who you get. So let's prepare you for that. All right, number 8. Everybody do number 8 if you haven't done number 8. On the back side. So everybody do number 8 if you haven't done number 8. If you have done number 8, beautiful, wait for me. If you haven't, do it now. Just want to see if I could take it one level higher.
You used the triangle man?
Definitely use the Dorito man.
Miss, what are the options for a teacher? Like, an 8th grade math teacher? For honors?
I can't say.
You don't
Because
know?
it was different from last year. And it's probably going to be different next year.
I hope I don't get it.
All right. Number 8. What's negative 9 times negative 5d?
45.
45d. What's negative 9 times 4?
Negative 36.
All right.
I hope I'm not late.
Okay, I'm not done with this problem.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not done with this problem.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, what's this symbol?
Minus.
And that's a?
Negative.
Who said positive?
These children.
See what I have to deal with? They think that's a minus.
Kids, am I right?
Yeah, it's a minus.
I heard more than one person say minus. Okay, so what is this?
Minus.
Okay, what's that?
Negative.
Minus.
You like said positive.
Kick you out of the class.
Positive.
Alright, so this is a negative, this is a minus. Okay. Who can take it to the next level?
You put parentheses.
Yes.
Don't count on me.
No.
For minus.
Keep change up.
You turn it into. Yeah. That's what I was thinking.
Bro, I don't want to do this.
So what would it be?
If you ever need help with this problem, don't call me.
Negative 45d plus.
No.
45D plus 36.
Where did I get negative, bro?
Yeah, where did you get negative, bro?
That's
Plus.
keep, change, opposite. In high school,
Is that the
if you see this, you're going to be asked to change it. You're going to be asked to change the minus and the negative to keep, change, opposite.
Is that 76D?
76D? Does this have a D? Yes, but does this one?
Are you okay,
So
bro?
if we don't put it together, it's done.
Bro, Sagoon.
All right,
Okay, we should not be talking.
stopped.
Oh.
Don't call me.
Okay, so when you have a minus and a negative, keep, change, opposite. When you have a minus and a negative, you do a keep, change, opposite. That turns into a positive. So now you have 45D plus 36. All right, let's do number 5 if you haven't done so. If you have done number 5, check your answer. Can you do a keep, change, opposite for number 5? If you haven't done number 5, let's do number 5, and let's do a keep, change, opposite. Number 5. So try doing number 5, and if you have done it, can you take it to the next level?
Yes, I
Can
can.
you rewrite it?
I think I can.
There.
I cannot.
Somewhere.
What's the level?
This?
Yeah.
I don't know. Level 1002.
I thought it's like 5,007.
Keep, change, opposite.
Yeah, I got that, guys.
Because when you're in high school and you're typing in your answers, let's say for the test, this might be the one that gives you the right answer and the point, and this might not give you the points because you didn't finish it in high school. Okay? In high school. Any questions? Here, I don't know. I'll let you know what I need you to do. Okay, how many of you are all done?
Wait, what about number 4?
What about number 4?
Oh, I finished.
No, because it's 8 times 2, and that's just 16. Notice that on number 5 and number 8, we distributed a negative number. That's where we get the problems.
Okay.
Okay, let me see.